Welcome to the channel. Remember, like and subscribe if you're into mini electric bikes, and if you're not, well, I don't know what's wrong with you. Just so everyone knows, these bikes, where's the panel? There it is, MXR 1500, Motortech 48. The motor is only powered by 3 wires, a blue, a green and a yellow, and 5 hall sensor wires. Now, here's the hall sensor plug. The wires, so you can connect the 5 wires to, and the 3 wires to the controller, to the motor. You could there. The battery, XT60, is 2 wires. That's all it is. Fuse. I've got 100 amp special in there because I'm savage. But fuse, easy as anything. The throttle, or the LCD, I'm on that little one, the EN06, is a plug. The LCD, it's a plug, it's just plugged in. The throttle is 5 wires. 3 wires for the throttle, minus, negative, and I think it's neutral. And then the button and the lights, they have a plus and minus. And that's it. So anyone who thinks these are very complicated, well, they're just not.